technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a flat to negative note. Thereafter, it continued the selling pressure from the yesterday's trading session and ended the day on a negative note, down 43 points. The market was also negative with 470 advances to 1023 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ITC, TCS, L&T, Lupin, Sun Pharma, Kotak Bank was among the losers, while HDFC, ONGC, Reliance, M&M, Kane India managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative for the second running day. The selling pressure from yesterday continued even today. On the downside, 86.45 is a level around the 40-day moving average, where the Nifty took some kind of an intraday support and bounced back from there. However, at the end of the day, closed on a negative note. So the trend, there is no change in trend. The trend continues to remain down. Even if the Nifty bounces from current levels from the 40-day moving average, sell or rise should be the strategy for the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the RV charts, you can observe that a clear 5-year decline from the high of 84.45 to be exact, and from there generally since post a 5-year decline on the RV charts, we get a retracement. So even if we get a retracement, the strategy should be to sell or rise. So any retracement that we get around this crucial resistance cluster of 87.29 or 87.67, which are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, so that should be an area around which traders can initiate short positions again. Now on the upside, 87.29 and 87.67 are crucial resistances. On the downside, 86.45, which is today's low, and below that 86.18 are crucial supports. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also closed in the negative today. It also bounced back from the day's low and ended the day just above the 20-day moving average. However, we feel that the weakness is still persisting in the banking stocks, and today also we saw some of the banking stocks closing the day on a negative note. So that is reflected on the Bank Nifty chart as well. We expect the selling pressure in Bank Nifty to continue. 18,351 and 18,130 are crucial supports. 18,780 and 19,040 are crucial resistances. The trend for Bank Nifty is also negative. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Today we have seen an bounce from the day's low around the 40-day moving average. However, we feel that this is just a retracement, and the selling pressure shall continue in the coming trading sessions. So sell on rise should be the strategy. Sell on rise near resistance of say 8729 or 8767 should be the strategy. That's all for the day. Thank you.